Good morning, traders. I have the hourly SPX chart. I'm going to go over it with you because you're probably wondering why I'm telling you on this Sunday that the SPX is going to break below that lower support level. But before we get there, we're going to talk about the SPX consolidation. We start with the gap here into resistance, and we hit the second resistance up here. Then we went straight down. And when I ask traders, is the trend strong or weak, they can never give me the right answer. They never do. Okay? Because they don't know the formula. You will be taught the formulas about trend cycles, and you will, and you'll make a lot of money. Join our new program, Buy Now. You get to buy now, and you get to pay later on 90-day option trades. They have 90 days until expiration. Sign up, call me, send me an email, get in on Buy Now, Pay Later program. You're going to benefit people that don't want to set up account or don't qualify for credit. That is all gone and off the table. You have no problem qualifying for it. But once again, back to the trend here. The support level is way down here. And we're going to break this support level. And we are. That is a gap level. I do teach people mathematically gap formulas. That we do. We teach you to be a fighter. We teach you to win. We teach you to sign up. We teach you that when you hesitate, you should be acting. Right now, if you're hesitating, that's when you should be signing up. So let's get started there.